Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to create this beautiful cut crease eye makeup look. So before jumping into the video, I will request you all, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe. Here I'm taking a light orange color as a transition shade to my eyebrow area, okay, on my crease area, and I'm blending gradually. Now I'm taking a dark color. It's a very intense color, and just applying to the outer corner of the eye and gradually drag to the inside of my eye. Okay, here you can see, as I'm doing, I just created a U shape around my eyeball area, like you can see. And now what I have to do, just to blend the outer edges of the crease we made. And after that, I took a concealer and I put a concealer on my concealer brush and just carefully making a crease. As you can see, it's a flat concealer brush I'm using. And now I'm just soften the edges and I'm applying the same color I used to the outer corner, that dark color, if you remember, and just blend. And after that, I put a golden color to the eyeball area, and after that, I put a glitter fixer to the eyeball area, and I applied a golden glitter to the eyeball area. After that, I applied kajal and a brown color to soften it, and after that, I applied a winged eyeliner and just put my lashes on, and this is the final result. Hope you like this video. If you liked this video, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, just notification pop up to your YouTube. Let's meet with another eye look, with another makeup, or with another hairstyle. Allah Hafiz, fi aman Allah.